This is rabbit skin glue. This is what we use in the gesso. And so when I melted it in a jar with some water, and you can see it melted here. And if you see it, it has like almost like a cod liver oil capsule. You can see it now softening up. If I break the consistency down, you can see it coming. You can see the gel. You can see it coming clear like that. So almost there. So I have it inside here, and then I have this pigment from yesterday, the gesso, and I added raw sienna pigment to it, and I have that cooking in here on the other side. So I've lowered this down a little bit, and then I'm going to add some glue to this to kind of give it body, and then we're going to add it on top of the white gesso on that frame. On this. This is the white gesso. We have sanded it down. So we're going to put the yellow clay on top of this. The reason we use yellow clay is because we're putting gold, like so, on top. And yellow gold, which is like this. Sorry. Yeah, yellow gold, like this. You don't want to put yellow gold on top of white, because if it chips, you have a white background. It doesn't work. You have to use yellow pigmented clay on top of this gesso. Also, it's a formula. They stick together. So that's why we do yellow clay. So, just want you to see that. Also, I want you to see what rabbit skin glue looks like in the dry state. This is what it looks like in the dry state. It's just almost like granulated sugar. It's pigmented. It's just dry skin hide glue. They use it a lot for art, repairing old antiques in the 18th, 17th, 16th century. That's all they used for furniture. So that's it. Thank you.